Hello miners, I have some exciting news for you today. Season may first be over in BFD Bot, but you can still earn unlimited coins and get your airdrop soon. It may take a few days for the airdrop to be distributed, but in the meantime, you can continue earning coins every 15 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. 10,000 coins every 15 seconds. Unlimited potential to earn millions of coins easily. You can go to TaskQ, complete tasks, and start earning coins for free. All you need to do is use an autoclicker like in the video, run it, and let your phone mine for you while you sit back and relax. Don't miss out on this opportunity to start earning passive income. In the first comment, you will find a list of mining bots that you can use to maximize your earnings. Good luck to everyone and happy mining. Remember, the key is to stay active, complete tasks, and let the coins roll in. Start now and watch your earnings grow exponentially. Remember, creating a safe and positive online environment is crucial. Do not create or share any content that involves sexual content and profanity, hate speech, violence, violent extremism, sensitive events, bullying and harassment, dangerous products, and the promotion or misuse of marijuana, tobacco, and alcohol. Stay safe and respectful online.